Hello friends, I am Dr. Santosh Tukaram Shinde, Assistant Professor, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda. Today's lecture we are going to discuss the topic structure, stability and reactions of reactive intermediate. First upon, what is intermediate? Intermediate is the molecular entity that is formed from the reactant and react further to give directly observed product of chemical reaction. That means intermediate, that is the species which is obtained from the reactant. When reactant get converted into product, that time there is a chance to form an intermediate species. That intermediate species may be positively charged, called as the carbocation. Intermediate species may be negatively charged, called as a carbanion. Intermediate species contain a single electron on carbon, called a free radical. Intermediate species contain two singlet electron on carbon, called as a carbene. First intermediate species out of that four, that one is the carbocation. We are going to study about introduction of carbocation, stability of carbocation, generation of carbocation and reaction of carbocation in that point. First upon, what is carbocation? The positively charged electron deficient carbon species are called as the carbocation. It acts as electrophile in reaction. They will having tendency to attract electron easily as the carbon is electron deficient. Carbocation generally formed by the fusion of heterolytic CH bond in organic molecule. If X is more electronegative than carbon, then the result of bond rupture or bond fusion is the carbocation. Consider that example, that tertiary alkyl halide, that compound contain sp3 hybridization and bond angle 109.45. When the rupture of that CX bond takes place, and if X is more electronegative than carbon, the result of that bond rupture is the formation of that intermediate species. That intermediate space, that X leaves with the both bond pair electron. Therefore, the positive charge arise on that carbon atom, and due to that, that compound contain or intermediate species contain a MTP orbital, and due to that, the hybridization of that intermediate species is the sp2 and bond angle is the 120. Next point, the stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation generally depends upon three factors: inductive effect, resonance effect and hyperconjugation effect. Out of that, first one, inductive effect. What is inductive effect? It is electron polarization effect. The electron polarization effect operates through a sigma bond. That means transmission of or unequal sharing of bonding electron through a chain of atom in a molecule. That means the transmission of electron takes place through a sigma bond. There is two types of electron donating effect, inductive effect. First one is the electron donating inductive effect. More the alkyl group or more electron donating group is attached the positively charged carbon atom, then the stability of carbocation is increases. That's called as the plus I effect. What is minus I effect? More number of electron groups such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine group attached to carbon, less will the stability of carbocation. If you see in that example, that carbocation is more stable due to plus I effect of 3 alkyl group. That carbon cation or that carbon species which is attached to 3 alkyl group, that 3 alkyl group donate electron to that carbon. Therefore, the deficiency of that carbon decreases and that carbocation become stable. If number of carbon alkyl group which is attached to central carbon atom decreases, the stability decreases. If you see in that example, the electron withdrawing, the as compared to carbon, fluorine is more electronegative. That fluorine having tendency to withdraw bond pair electron towards itself. Therefore, that fluorine attached to carbon withdraw the bond pair electron towards itself, and that due to that minus I effect, withdrawing effect means minus I effect, that carbocation become unstable. Here, two fluorine group attached to same carbon atom, due to minus I effect of two fluorine group, that carbocation is becoming more unstable. Also, that carbocation become very more unstable. Stability of carbocation depend upon second factor, that one is the hyperconjugation effect. What is hyperconjugation effect? Hyperconjugation effect is the delocalization of sigma electron through the adjacent bond. That means positive charge present of carbon can be stabilized by hyperconjugation effect of the electron present, the sigma electron present in the adjacent bond. Such in that example, the positively charged positive charge present on carbon atom gets stabilized by the hyperconjugation effect of that three hydrogen atom which is present in the adjacent carbon atom. That the bond pair electron of that three hydrogen atom get delocalized in that bond, and due to that positively charged carbocation get stabilized. If you see in that three example, that compound or that intermediate, positive charge intermediate, that's called as the carbocation, it gets stabilized by the three hydrogen atom which are present in the adjacent bond. Here, that carbocation gets stabilized by the six hydrogen atom which are present in the adjacent carbon atom. Here three hydrogen atom and three hydrogen atom can undergo hyperconjugation effect and the stability get increases. Here, if you see in that structure, that carbocation gets stabilized by the 9 hydrogen atom which are present on the adjacent carbon atom. That 9 hydrogen atom gets stabilized that carbocation, and due to greater number of hyperconjugation effect of hydrogen atom, the stability of that carbocation get increases. Third factor which affect the stability of carbocation, that one is the resonance effect. What is resonance effect or mesomeric effect? The concept of resonance effect tells about the polarity induced in the molecule by the reaction between the lone pair of electron and pi bond of electron. That is, what is the resonance? The delocalization of electron through adjacent pi bond is called as the resonance effect. That means delocalization of electron or delocalization of positive charge takes place through the adjacent pi bond is called as the resonance effect. The positive charge present on carbon gets stabilized by pi electron present in allylic bond or non-bonding electron pair. If you see in that example, this carbocation gets stabilized by the pi electron which are present in the adjacent bond. That pi electron undergo delocalization and positive charge gets stabilized on another carbon atom. Due to delocalization of that pi electron in the adjacent bond, that carbocation become stable. If you see in that example, allyl carbocation, benzyl carbocation, that benzyl carbocation gets stabilized by the adjacent pi electron present in the benzene ring. That positive charge present on the CH2 get delocalized by the benzene pi electron. That positive charge gets shifted firstly as ortho position, then para position, then again ortho position, and here that compound can be stable in the 5 canonical form. Here also the positive charge which are present on the carbon atom may be get delocalized by the lone pair or non-bonding electron present on the adjacent atom. In resonance effect, the positive charge gets stable. We have already seen that the positive charge gets stabilized by the pi electron present in the adjacent bond. If you see in that structure, that positive charge gets stabilized by the pi electron present in the adjacent bond, and if the number of pi bond in the conjugation is increases, or the number of canonical structure for the stability of carbocation is increases, the stability of that compound or intermediate get increases. If you see in that structure, that positive charge gets stabilized in the 5 canonical form, that, and if you see in that intermediate, the positive charge gets stabilized in the 7 canonical form. Therefore, number of canonical form of structure or intermediate increases, the stability of that intermediate increases. Then the structure B having a 7 canonical form and structure A having a 5 canonical form, therefore structure B is a more stable than structure A. Order of stability of carbocation. Here, if you see that carbocation or that intermediate gets stabilized by the pi electron present in the pH, therefore that carbocation gets stabilized. Here, the positive charge or carbocation gets stabilized by allylic pi bond, pi electron get delocalization and positive charge get stabilized. Here, the positive charge gets stabilized by the plus I effect. Therefore, the stability order of that compound is like that. Assignment: draw the canonical forms of structure and arrange by the decreasing order of stability. We have given here 3 examples for the writing the canonical form of that 3 structure. First one is the benzyl carbocation, biphenyl carbocation and triphenyl carbocation. That you have to draw the canonical form of that structure, and you have to write that structure carbocation by the decreasing order of stability. Why? Another question: why tropylium carbocation or cycloheptatrinyl cation is more stable than tropylium bromide salt? If you see in that structure, that tropylium bromide, if departure of that bromine group takes place with the bond pair of electron, the positive charge arises on the carbon. That 7-member carbon containing carbocation containing ring is called as the tropylium carbocation, and that one is the tropylium bromide. If you see in that structure, that salt, and from that salt the tropylium carbocation which is formed, which is more stable, because due to that positive charge present on that carbon atom may be undergo delocalization of electron. That compound contain a planar, cyclic and highly conjugated structure, and it obey a 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, that is the rule of aromaticity, and therefore that structure is a more stable. Some example for the stability order which is given, and lastly the summary. Overall, the stability of carbocation depends upon: first one, plus I effect or electron donating inductive effect. Number of electron donating group increases, the stability of carbocation increases. That means if you attach, or number of alkyl group or electron donating group is attached to positively charged carbon atom, due to plus I effect increases, and that therefore the stability of carbocation is increases. Another effect, that one is the plus R effect, or it's called as the electron donating resonance effect. Number of pi bond which are present on allylic carbon atom increases, that is the pi electron increases for the delocalization of electron, therefore stability of carbocation increases. And last one is the hyperconjugation effect. Number of hydrogen atom present on adjacent to carbocation increases, stability of that carbocation increases due to increased hyperconjugation effect. Thank you very much.